Science Academy, the science provider of the nation.
Hey guys, today the lesson is indices. So the singular term of indices is index. Index means, let's take a number. If I take a number, just I'm taking 4, you can write it as 2 to the power 2. If a number can be written by a base and a power, that's what we call index form. If there are lots of indexes like this, that is what we call indices. So just I am taking an example how to convert a number to index form. Let's take 4. If I take 4, first of all you should divide, or you should give this number in multiples of prime number. So you have studied this in grade 6. So how to convert this number in multiples of prime number? You should divide this by prime numbers. So 4, if I divide by 2, the answer is 2. Again you should divide by 2, so the answer is 1. So 4, how can you write? 2 into 2, so that means 2 to the power 2. If I take 16, if you divide by 2, you will get 8. Again divide by 2, you will get 4. Again divide by 2, you will get 2. Again divide by 2, you will get 1. So 16, how can I write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 to the power 4. So I am taking another example. So let's take an example like this. There is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. If they say to you, write this in index notation, what you should do? You see, into how many 2s are there? There are 2 2s. So 2 to the power 2 into how many 3s are there? 3. So 3 to the power 3. Another example I am taking. X into y into y into y into z into z. So how can I write? There are how many x are there? 2. It's multiplying. So x to the power 2 into how many y's are there? 3. Y to the power 3 into how many z are there? Z to the power 2. So this is the next part of indices. This one we have studied in grade 7. This is grade 7 part. Okay, so I am coming to grade 9 stuff now. So in grade 9 you have some rules in indices. So the first rule is a to the power n into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. That means in multiplication, in indices, in multiplication, if the base are same, if bases are same, you can add the powers. So example, I am taking one question. Example, x to the power 5 into x to the power 2. In this you can see the base are same, both the base are x. So in multiplication, if the bases are same, you can add the power. So the common base is x. 5 plus 2 is 7. Another question I am taking example, x to the power 3 into x to the power 2 into x to the power 1 into y to the power 2. Okay, here see, in these three the base are same, but here the base is different. So this one you can just add x to the power 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6 into y to the power 2. Why? Because there is only one in y. Another one I am taking, another example, x to the power 2 into x to the power 3 into y to the power 4 into y to the power 5. So in this there are several index. You can see there are two types of base. One is x and one is y. So these two bases are same, so you can add. So you will get x to the power 5 into these two bases are same. How can you write? Y to the power 9. This is your first rule of indices. Okay, let's come to the second rule. The second rule is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. In indices, if the base are same, in division we should subtract the powers, like what we did in multiplication. In multiplication you should add, but in division you should subtract the powers. So just I am taking an example, x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3, then the common base is x, so the powers you can subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Always you should subtract from the first number, not from the second one. always you should subtract from the first number. So just this one I can write it like this: x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3. Both are same. So if they given like this, what is the answer? 5 minus 3 is 2. So I am taking another question. Example: x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 7. Okay. Yes, in this one is greatest one, but you can't subtract from this. You should subtract from this. Why? This one is dividing from this one. So 3 minus 7, it should be the common base is x. You should subtract the power from 3. So 3 minus 7, 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. I am taking another example: x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 5. Okay, this one also division. Always from the first one you should divide. So the base is x. 2 minus 5. So you need 2 minus 5. Just tell me, 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 2 minus 5 is minus 3. That's it. This is your second rule. Okay, let's come to the third rule. I'm coming to the third rule. The third rule is, if the power is 0, let's take 2 to the power 0. What is the answer for 2 to the power 0? So 2 to the power 1 is 2. If you take 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 into 2, that means 4. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So if they ask you 2 to the power 0, any number, if the power is 0, the value should be 1. Always. If you take x to the power 0 is 1. Y to the power 0, 1. 100 to the power 0, 1. 1000 to the power 0, 1. If any power, in a number, the power is 0, the number is what? The value is 1. So I can write a to the power 0 also 1, y to the power 0 also 1. Any number, the power is 0, the value is 1. That is your third rule. Let's come to the fourth rule. Okay, fourth rule. Let's come to fourth rule. The fourth rule is, if the power is in negative form. Just I am taking a to the power minus n. If it is like this, you can write it as a to the power n. So just like reciprocal, you have studied reciprocal like that. The numerator becomes as denominator. When it becomes as denominator, the minus should be changed as plus. So 2 to the power minus 3, if it is like this, if it changed into denominator, the 2 to the power 3, so the minus should be changed as plus. So this is what we call negative form. So let's take 5 to the power 7 minus 7. Okay, how can you write? 1 over 5 to the power 7. When you change this into denominator, the symbol, the negative form should be changed as positive. Like that, if it is in a denominator, if a number, the power is in denominator, I am taking 2 to the power minus 3. 1 over 2 to the power minus 3. So it's in denominator. Let's see, if it is in numerator, to convert this to positive, you took it here. That means you change it to denominator. Like that, if it is in denominator, if you need to change this into positive, you should change it as numerator. It should be 2 to the power 3. So 1 over 3 to the power minus 5, if it is like this, how can you change this? 3 to the power minus 5, it should become as 3 to the power 5. Why? This is in denominator. If you need to change this minus as plus, we should change the place. So this is our fourth rule. I'm just giving a question like this. Here is just an example. If it is like this, 2 into a to the power minus 5. Okay, 2 into a to the power minus 5. If they given like this, here see, the power of a is only negative. Not for this all, only the power of a is negative. So that means you should change only this a, not this 2, only this a. So how can I write 2 into a to the power minus 5? If I need to change this negative to positive, I should write that number, only that number to in denominator. So this one is in numerator, so I can write it as denominator. So it is a to the power 5. So 2 into 1 is 2 over a to the power 5. So I am taking another example. Let's take 3x to the power minus 2 into y into z to the power minus 3. Okay, in this, you see 3x minus 2 y z minus 3. In this, the minus 2, the power minus 2 is only for this x, not for this 3 or not for this y or not for this z. This minus 3 only for z. So only you should change this x and z, not this 3 and y, only this x and z. So 3 into x to the power minus 2, how can I write? 1 over x to the power 2 into y, just I can write it as y because there is no negative form, into z to the power minus 3. If I change it, it will become as z to the power 3. Now multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. 3 into 1 3, 3 into y 3, y 3 into y into 1 3y over x squared into z to the power 3 means x squared into z to the power 3. That's it. Okay guys, I am taking another example. Okay, see this example. 2 into x to the power 5 into y to the power minus 1 over 3 into x to the power 3 into z to the power minus 2 into I am taking as a. Okay, if it is like this, you see, in this numerator the power of 2 is not negative, the power of x is not negative, but the power of y is negative. Let's come to the denominator. Only the power of z is negative, so you should change only this y and z. Okay, so you see the power of y is negative, but it is negative in numerator, not in denominator. It is in numerator. So if it become as a denominator, the power will be changed as plus. Like that, in numerator the power of z is negative. So if it come as numerator, it should be changed as what? Positive power. So I can write it 2 into x to the power 5 into this y comes down and this z comes up. So the z to the power minus 2, if it come up, it should be changed as z to the power 2. Let's come to the denominator. 3 into the z gone up, but then the remaining is a. So after going this, y to the power minus 1, it's coming down. That means what? If it comes down, the power should be changed as plus. So this is another example. Okay, I am doing another question, another example. Let's take 3 into x to the power 5 into y to the power minus 3 over 2 into a to the power minus 2 into b to the power minus 3. Okay, see, in numerator the power of y is minus 3. In denominator, the power of a and the power of b are minus. So negative. That means the numerator, the power is the y is in negative, so it should become as denominator. In denominator, a and b, the powers are negative, so those two should become as numerator. So I am writing 3 into x to the power 5. It won't change, but a to the power minus 2 comes up and b to the power minus 3 comes up. So it should be like that, a to the power 2 into b to the power 3. So the numerator is done. So let's come to the denominator. There is 2 into this y to the power minus 3 will come down. So if it comes down, it should be changed as y to the power 3. Okay guys, let's see this. Let's come to this example. 2 into x to the power 2 into x to the power 3 into y to the power 2 over 3 into x to the power 7 into y to the power 5. Okay, in this you can see in numerator there are two multiples with the same base, x to the power 2 and x to the power 3. If you come to denominator, this base and this base are same and this base and this base are same. So just first of all solve the numerator, solve the denominator, finally let's come to the answer. So I am doing this 2 into, I am solving the numerator, x to the power 2 into x to the power 3, the base are same. When in multiplication, if the bases are same, you should add the power. So it should be 2 into x to the power 2 plus 3 is 5 into y square. The denominator 3 into x to the power 7 into y to the power 5. Okay, now in this just 2 is there, but here x to the power 5, the denominator x to the power 7, that means x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 7. So x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 7. So how can you write x 5 minus 7? Why we are dividing? So when division, if the base are same, you should subtract the powers. So 5 minus 7, just tell me 7 minus 5 is 2, then 5 minus 7 should be minus 2 into y to the power 2, y to the power 5. So y to the power 2 minus y to the power 5. Divide by y to the power 5. That means what? Y to the power 2 minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 2 minus 5 means minus 3. Over this one done, this one done. Only the remaining part is what? Only 3. Now, if you come to this one, you see, the power of x is in negative and the power of y is in negative. So these two negative powers are in numerator. So if I need to convert this into positive, what you should do? The numerator should become as denominator. If you see x to the power minus 2, this one is in numerator, so I am changing it. So these two should come down. So what is remaining up? Only 2. Okay, denominator there is 3. X to the power minus 2, if it comes down, it should be changed as x to the power 2. Y to the power minus 3, if it comes down, it should be changed as y to the power 2. So if the answer is 2 over 3 into x square into y to the power 3. So another example, let's come to another example. Just I am taking 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 2 into x to the power 5 into y to the power 3 over 2 to the power 7 into 3 into x to the power 3 into y to the power 5. Okay, let's come to this sum. You see, in this, in numerator, the base is 2, 3, xy, nothing is same. In denominator, 2, 3, xy, nothing is same. But numerator and denominator, the powers are same. Here 2, 3, x, y. So, no multiplication. Here you can't add the powers because in multiplication, the bases are not same. So, when we come to division, you see, in division, this base and this base are same. That means 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 7. So, the common part, 2 to the power 5 minus 7. When division, you should subtract the powers. 5 minus 7, you see, 7 minus 5 is 2, then 5 minus 7 should be minus 2, into, in this 3 to the power 2, here 3, just 3 means what? The power is 1, 3 to the power 1. So, 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 1, that means 3, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is what? 1, into, here, x to the power 5, x to the power 3, so, x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3, that means 5 minus 3 is 2, into, here the base is y to the power 3 divided by y to the power 5, so y to the power 3, that means 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, then 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. So we came to this step. Now you see, this one and this sum, the power is negative. So you should change this into positive. What you should do, these two are in numerator, so these two should come to denominator. So if these two comes down, what are up there? 3 to the power 1 into x to the power 2. Okay, I am going to take this as this down. Okay, 2 to the power minus 2, if it comes down, it should be changed as 2 to the power 2. Y to the power minus 2, if it comes down, it should be changed as y to the power 2. Okay, let's see another type of question here. 3x to the power 2 and 3x whole to the power 2. These two are not equal. You see, this 2 is only for this x. But if it is like this, if they given in a bracket, if they given like this, the meaning is this 2 is for 3 and this 2 is for x. Not only for this x or not only for this 3, this 2 is for both. So 3x to the power 2 means this 2 is only for this x. 3x2 whole thing to the power 2 means what? This 2 is for 3 and this 2 is for x. So this one you have studied in grade 8. So another thing, if they given like this, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 3, if they given like this, just tell me x to the power 3 means what? X into x into x called as x to the power 3. Like that, 2 to the power 3 times 3 means what? 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. So you see, when in multiplication, if the base are same, what you can do? Add the powers. So I am adding this power. The common base is 2. 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3 is how much? 9. So the answer is 2 to the power 9. So if they given, let's take, if they given like this, x to the power 5 whole thing to the power 2. Let's take 4. If they given like this, so x to the power 4 means what? X into x into x into x, like that. X to the power 5 whole thing to the power 4, that means what? X to the power 5 into x to the power 5 into x to the power 5 into x to the power 5. In this, the base are same, so common base is x. You can add the powers. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So the answer is x to the power 20. So if they given like this, x to the power 2 whole to the power 20, if they given like this, just tell me, can you write it like 20 times? It's difficult. So only in this situation, if it is a bracket and there are two powers, just you can multiply the powers. 2 into 20 is 40. So x to the power 40. So if they given y to the power 5 whole to the power 3, no need to write 3 times, just you can say what? Y to the power 5 into 3 is 15. Just if they given a to the power 2 whole to the power 3, how can you write? A to the power 6. Just you can multiply, not adding. In this, don't add this. In this you should what to do? Multiply. Okay, so this is not a rule, but you should know this method. Okay, let's take a question like 2 to the power 2, b to the power 3, x to the power 5, whole thing to the power 6. Okay, it is like this. No need to multiply this 6 times. You see, the 6 is not only for this x or not only for this b or not only for this 2. Okay, so just I am taking 2 to the power 2 to the power 6. Why? This 6 is, you can take it for this and this. For all you can take this 6 into b to the power 3 to the power 6 into x to the power 5 to the power 6. Okay, so 2 to the power 2 whole thing to the power 6, that means 2 to the power 2 into 6 is 12 into b to the power 3 whole to the power 6, that means 3 to 6 is 18 into x to the power 5 into 6 is 30. So the answer is 2 to the power 12 to the power 18 into x to the power 30. Another example I am taking, a to the power 3 into b to the power 2 whole thing to the power 2 divide by a to the power 2 into b to the power 5. Okay, here see, in this situation, first of all remove the brackets. In every question, when you are doing the question, you should divide the brackets. So I am removing the bracket. A to the power 3 to the power 2 means a to the power how much? 3 into 2 is 6 into b to the power 2 to the power 2 means b to the power 2 into 4 over here a to the power 2 into b to the power 5. Now in this question, in numerator it's multiplying but the base are not same, so no need to do. Like the denominator, there is multiplication but the bases are not same, so no need to solve that. But if you come to numerator and denominator, the base are same. Here the base are same. So here a to the power 6 divided by a to the power 2. That means what? A, the common base is a. When dividing this, the power should subtract 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 into b to the power 4 divided by b to the power 5. That means b to the b 4 minus 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So you see this one is positive number. The power is positive and this power is negative. So you should change this into positive. So if you need to change this to positive, this is in numerator, so it should go to denominator. So you can write a to the power 4 over, if it comes down, it should be changed as b to the power.
Science Academy, the science provider of the nation.